Welcome to Linux commands. In this lesson, you'll learn the difference between cat and more, two essential commands for viewing file contents in the terminal. The cat command displays the entire file contents at once. It's great for short files, but for long files, the output scrolls quickly past the screen. The more command displays file contents one page at a time. Press space to scroll down, or Q to quit. This is much better for reading long files. Use cat for short files or when you need to pipe output to another command. Use more or less for longer files when you want to read the content page by page. Great job! You now know when to use cat versus more. Try these commands on your own files. For even more features, check out the less command.